This is Kitty Ninja. She loves to eat. Problem is, she loves to eat so much that she would eat all day if we let her. So we put her on a diet. We order all our cat food online with a good password. Imagine what would happen if Kitty Ninja was to try to hack the online store. The first online store is a major retailer, and they spend a lot of money on cybersecurity, so our passwords are really safe there. The second retailer is not as large, but they also spend a decent amount of money on cybersecurity, so our passwords should be safe there as well. The last store is a specialist store. They only sell organic cat litter. Unfortunately, their idea of cybersecurity, due to their small budget, is their cousin Brian.
Hey, does anyone know what HTTPS means?
Like any good hacker, Kitty Ninja knows that she doesn't have to go after the two big stores. She only has to go after the little one, knowing that people hate passwords and will reuse their passwords anytime they get a chance. This means that Kitty Ninja gets to go shopping using our money. But what happens if the passwords are all different? Well, Kitty Ninja spent a lot of effort just to get a bunch of cat litter.